What you're looking at is a 2.0 engine out of a 2014 Ford Focus. And this one is coming out. I'm going to show you a couple different things. This engine came in, we believe it has a blown head gasket. Definitely has some issues we're going to show you here. In this case, it's just better to put an engine into it. But if you notice, this engine's sitting on a table that we made, the post up the middle of it, very heavy duty table to support the weight. The reason why it's on a table is because above it is the car. So back in the old days when you would pop the hood and take the engine out the top, a lot of these newer cars today, the engine comes out the bottom. Now the interesting thing about this engine, not much holds it up in there. There's two bolts here on the front motor mount. And then on the back, on the transmission, there's a bolt and a mount right here that holds it all up in there. So I just want to show you real quick. Once again, this engine came out the bottom and it's sitting on here, and we'll show you up inside of here. Look inside these holes, this exhaust. Actually, if you look, there's like rust up inside of there. We're wondering if maybe this head gasket went on the engine and the customer just kept driving it. Because if you notice, it's rusty inside there. Or maybe this was a salvage yard motor, like it sat outside for a while. Don't see any yellow marking on it, but we're going to put another engine in this car because this one is completely shot. So I just want to show you how those engines come out and a little bit about this one.